Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you what to do if Windows 11 cannot find Gpedit.msc. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to enable Group Policy Editor with a batch file. To do this, right-click on an empty space on your desktop, hover over the New option and then select the Text Document option. In here, just double-click this new text document and make sure to copy-paste the following command from the description below. Now the next step is to save this file, so click on the File tab and make sure to select the Save As option. Make sure to click on the drop-down menu next to Save As Type and click on the All Files option, and afterwards just rename this document to the following name: Group Policy Editor.bat. Now just click on the Save button and you will see that a new file has been created, respectively a Group Policy Editor batch file. Now the last thing you have to do is simply right-click this file and then run it as an administrator. You will see that a command prompt window will appear at this point. Wait until it says 100% before continuing, and afterwards just restart your PC and you can check if the Group Policy Editor will show up in Windows 11. Another useful solution is to enable Group Policy Editor via the command prompt. To do this, press the Windows button, then simply type cmd and then run command prompt as an administrator. In the command prompt window, just make sure to type the following commands or simply copy-paste them from the description below, but press enter after each command. Now once the processes are done and reach 100%, you can close the command prompt window and then simply try to open the Gpedit.msc again. And lastly, another great solution is to update Windows. To do this, press the Windows button, then select the settings icon, and afterwards on the left pane make sure to scroll down until you find the Windows Update category, and then on the right side click on the blue Check for Updates button. Windows will now try to find the best possible updates for your PC and install them as soon as possible. Afterwards, just restart your PC and check if the problem still persists. And that's it. Plenty of solutions to consider. As usual, for more information and details, you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.